Welcome to the Nova Armada channel, and hello to my future subscribers and to my loyal subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Air India Boeing 777-222ER in Air India's 1990s era red and white livery. This airliner had a fairly normal career flying passengers, except for one minor incident that will be discussed during the presentation. Please watch to the end to see this aircraft's full history. This 777 was initially delivered to the American flagged United Airlines from the Boeing factory in Everett, Washington on March 22nd of 1999. Powered by two Pratt Whitney PW4090 series high bypass turbofans, producing up to 93,700 pounds force or 417 kilonewtons at full power. At this point in the airliner's history, the aircraft was painted in the United Airlines 1990s era Battleship Grey livery as seen in these photos. While flying for United Airlines, this Boeing 777's passenger loads varied from 305 passengers to an exit limit of 440 passengers. At this time, the aircraft was registered as November 205 Uniform Alpha. The aircraft was stored temporarily at the Goodyear Phoenix Airport in 2003 to 2004 until a new operator was found for this aircraft. That new operator, Air India, would take possession of this airliner in 2004. At this time, the aircraft was repainted in Air India's 1990s era red and white livery and re-registered as Victor Tango Alpha India Kilo. While with Air India, the aircraft suffered a minor mishap when the front nose wheel collapsed while at a passenger gate during an inspection. No passengers or employees of Air India were injured in the incident. The aircraft was repaired and returned to service. While flying for Air India, this aircraft was named Megh Malhar, which is a classical Hindustani form of music that is sung as an invitation for rain. Flying from India, the aircraft used its range of 7,000 nautical miles or 13,000 kilometers at speeds of up to 511 knots or 945 kilometers an hour to fly to points all over the globe. Air India withdrew this aircraft from service in 2010 and stored the aircraft at Griffis International Airport in the state of New York. A couple months later, the aircraft was leased to the Russian-flagged Transaero Airlines, and the aircraft was repainted in Transaero's red, white, and blue striped livery and re-registered as Echo India-Uniform November Victor. 2 years later, in 2012, the aircraft was stored for 2 years at Shannon Airport in Ireland before being returned to service with Transaero in 2014. In late 2015, the aircraft was withdrawn from service and stored at the Spanish Teruel International Airport. That's where it sits today, waiting either for a future operator or for the scrapper's blade. The video on the screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called Gemini Jets in 2005. As can be seen here, there have been 2 production runs of this aircraft, this one in 1/400 scale by Gemini Jets, and the other by Rise Soon Models in 1/150 scale. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish helps me get a larger distribution around YouTube, which will bring in more subscribers that will then repeat this process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.